Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Highs Placements and Highs Digital Academy. We are here for the demo class, which is conducted by Highs Placements and Highs Digital Academy. So this is a training and placement program, which is for 5 months, and it is for 500 rupees only. So under this 500 rupees, we give training, internship, certification, and also working on live projects. Apart from this, job assistance too. So this is a very good program, which is like giving a training and then also a placement. So in this 5 months, we have IT domains which are like Salesforce, Java and core Java, digital marketing, WordPress, data science, which is AI and ML, blockchain, AWS DevOps, PHP Android, cloud computing, Service Note, MuleSoft, UiPath, testing, Python, full stack web development, AngularJS, Node.js, React.js, and .NET. So these are all the IT courses which are present for this training program. And apart from this, non-IT courses are also present, which are like HR, banking, BPO, MS Office, and MS Excel, interview skills, and com skills. So these are all the courses which are under this training and placement program. And for 500 rupees only, this is for 5 months. Under this 5 months, you'll be having 3 months for training, and the other 2 months will be under internship. So these sessions will be conducted for 1.5 hour to 2 hours. So these will be having two sessions, morning and evening batch, like two batches, morning batch and evening batch. And the timings would be around from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning session and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the evening session, because these timings are very feasible for all the categories like working women or working employees and all. So that is the reason these timings are selected. So in this session, we give job training. As I already told you, will be giving training, job assistance, and certification. As Highs has been related with almost top 150 plus MNC companies. It has been associated with this top 150 plus MNC companies, and these companies will almost give salaries of around 3 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. So this is the very best program in India, pan India, because nowhere we can see like with this such a low amount having a great training program. So, guys, we are here for the demo class of Salesforce today. So, I request you to be on mute. So, and write down your queries or doubts, whatever you have, so that you can have a chance to speak out at the end of the session. Sir will be giving you time so you can have your queries cleared at the end of the session. Yes, Manish, do you want to add anything?
Nothing. I request Pioneer to start the demo session.
Yeah. Sir,
Yeah,
I request you to please start the session.
yes, hi everyone. This is Shoaib. So I'm your Salesforce trainer actually. So before that, let me tell you what is Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce is a CRM technology. So basically, previously Oracle was doing the all the CRM part. CRM means customer relationship management. So that means the relationship building up between customer and the business. If you're buying a product from Samsung, you are a if you are a customer, so this tool, this Salesforce tool or any CRM tool will help you to building the relationship between the customer and the business. Now, let me tell you how this is going to help you. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. I hope it is visible, right? It's visible. So I hope it is visible to everyone. So basically how Salesforce is working. So this is a standard functionality we need to build up basically. So suppose you are buying product, you are buying any product from a company. Okay. So now suppose you are just roaming around in front of your office and you are going to buy a particular product. Okay, particular product like KFC. Someone is providing you leaflet for that. Okay. Now, whenever you have taken that particular leaflet, that time you are being you are being lead to that for that company. Okay. You might be interested, might not be interested, but you are being a lead right now. Now, lead. Whenever you have taken the leaflet, that time you see that there is a particular product they are providing. There is a particular product and they are providing 40% discount on that particular product because they have opened a new outlet. Okay. Now, what you have done, you went back to home and you were thinking, okay, let's do one thing. Let's try with the KFC product because we didn't take much time. So let's try with that. Okay. Now, whenever you are trying with that, you have to call them, right? There's a contact number is provided. You have to call them. So once you're calling them, that time you are being opportunity to them. So now KFC is confirmed that late becomes opportunity because you have called by yourself. Okay, late becomes opportunity. So now there is a chance of the 100% that product can be bought. Okay, previously there is a 50% because you have just taken the leaflet. There might be interested or might not be, but now you are interested for the product. Now, whenever you have called them, that time, that particular opportunity, you have given the order and you have just confirmed that whether they are giving the 40% discount on the chicken burger or not. Whenever they have confirmed, you have given some orders and they have created in their Salesforce application that they have given in the Salesforce application that your contact details, your address, and your account. So they have created one contact and account same time. Why they have created account? I'm coming to the later part, but why they have created contact? I'm telling you. Because they will serve the product at your home. They need your contact details, address, and phone number. When you have taken them, okay, you have provided them, now they are confirming that okay, we will serve your product and buy through the delivery partner. So now the food has been prepared and that particular person provided the delivery at your home. Now you are thinking, okay, I have taken the food, I'm the customer, my part is done, but business doesn't think in that way. Business always think how to improve their business with the customer, and they need to get another customer from you, from the reference. Okay. So after that, after 2 months, 3 months, you have given a lot of time those orders, 7 or 8 times. But for the last 1.5 months, you are not interested for the some of the products. So that's why you didn't give provided any order. Now, also the outlet manager is checking that there is some lack in the business or there is some reducing of the profit amount. So now they will check the Salesforce application. By the using the Salesforce application, checking that they have find out the regular customer and they have find out your name. How? Because whenever we are creating the contact, that time you have created work account as well. In that particular account, or like just like a bank account, everything has been noted. How many times you have given the order, what are the orders, how much you have spent, all those things. Okay. Now, basically, whenever you have given the order, that time that has been noted. Now they are checking that last 8 times you have given the order. Okay, and last 1.5 months you did not provide any order. Within the last 8 orders, you have given chicken burger most of the time. So they have concluded easily that your favorite food is one of the chicken burger or preferable food. Now what they will do, they are already having your contact details. They'll send an SMS with the 30% discount code at your number, and they will provoke you to buy once again. Okay, by the Salesforce application, they are getting all those details, and they can provoke you to buy the food again. Now you go receive that particular SMS. Oh, you thought, okay, this is going to be cheaper. I'm not trying this for last 2 months or like that. Let's go for it. Once again, you are buying the product. The business, the relationship has been developed. The relationship of the business has been developed. Again, you are buying product, and their particular motivation or their particular expectation has been fulfilled. Again, you have started buying the product from them. That is the part of the product based, sales based, sales cloud based. They are selling the product. Okay. I'm just giving you when we are using this application for the software purpose. Giving you that kind of example. Whenever it is coming for the service purpose, suppose you have bought an AC from Samsung. Okay. From Samsung, you have bought an AC. Now, for the particular AC, you are having 1 year of warranty. Okay. Now, for the 1 year of warranty, within 1 year, so after 1 year, the relationship with the Samsung is done because 1 year warranty is over, it's done. But after 2.5 years, you're facing some cooling issue from the AC. Now, what you have done, you are having one toll-free number. Okay, you have called them and asked them that you are facing this kind of issue. One service agent will receive your call and they will take the details of your address, your all the issues details, and they will raise a case. Okay, they will raise a new case. Now, whenever they are raising the case, that time all those details has been gathered with the contact address as well, your contact address. Now that particular case status is open. Now service agent or customer service executive send that particular case to the field service technician or service technician who will walk with you, okay, and who will go at your home and serve you and try to resolve that particular issue. Okay, for that particular reason, that case has been assigned to who is just within your service territory or within your home territory. And then they have assigned that particular case. Whenever they are getting the case, they will receive a mobile notification. Okay, they have received that particular case. For that particular thing, for that particular case, they will call you and they will take an appointment with you. Once you have confirmed the particular timing, now that service technician will go at your home and they will check what is your issue. Suppose cooling issue, and they will give you one estimation that what kind of money should be spent for this, because you are not having warranty. They will ask for the service charge, and you are not having parts as well. Okay, there is a parts they need to use that new parts. They need to use that for the particular thing. They will take all those details and they will give you an estimation. If you are agreeing with that, then they will start working on that. Once this is done, okay. Though before that case, whenever that case, particular case has been assigned to the service technician, that case is in progress. Now, service technician will call and ask to close that particular case, but to the customer service executive, but he or she will not close that particular case at that time. He or she will call to the customer and confirm that whether you are satisfied or not. If you say yes, then we'll close the case, and the service technician will generate one PDF receipt, which you have to pay them, and then the close is going to be cased. This case, open, in progress, closing, all this tracking part, it has been taken care by Salesforce. Okay, this is the part of the Service Cloud. Now let me tell you why you will join in the Salesforce. Salesforce has 4 parts: admin, developer, consultant, technical architect. Before that, during the pandemic time, Salesforce has provided 25% jobs within the base jobs. 2.5 out of the 10 base jobs Salesforce has provided. Okay, 10 base jobs. Now being a Salesforce admin, okay, who doesn't love coding, who doesn't want to do code, so he can easily start with the Salesforce admin one. This is a totally tool-based, configuration-based, and the tool where we will practice, that is totally free of cost. If you have email ID, then you can start working on that. That is totally free of cost. Salesforce administration needs to know Salesforce business process, data management, system administration, and the data validation part. If you want to be a Salesforce developer, right now the job market is boom. Basically, this is booming because you have to know a little bit of the coding part. You have to know the OOPS concept before you have to know the OOPS concept. Okay, but that is not mandatory. And within our course content, we have added 2 or 3 days for the OOPS concept to building of the OOPS concept. We know you are not if you are not from the coding background, we will help you to build up the concept. Then you can start working on it. So Salesforce Apex, Visual Force Lightning, all are the part of the coding. Okay, but we will try to build up each and every concept, then we will start with the coding. Otherwise, we will not. Salesforce consultant must know Salesforce admin and the developer part. And he or she should be based in one of these products, sales, service, or the project management like that. So he or she can be a Salesforce consultant. A technical architect must have 10 plus years of experience in Salesforce. Along with that, he must know Salesforce admin, developer, and the Salesforce consultant. Salesforce developer must know Salesforce administration part as well. Okay, who doesn't love coding, he can work here as well. Who loves coding, he can work here as well. No problem with Salesforce. They don't love to do code. Salesforce doesn't encourage to do coding. They encourage to configuration. What is the tool based? Let me show you the Salesforce tool. So this is the tool. This is the personal tool. Whenever you are working for a company, you will get the different sandbox or like that. That's why you have to buy the license. That is for the from Salesforce. That is for working for a company. If you want to practice, if you want to learn. So this is the tool Salesforce can provide with the free of cost. Whenever we are starting the session, that time I will show you that how to do everything. Okay, but there is a huge job prospect. Already I've told you during the pandemic they have done a lot of business. Every bigger company, MNC companies are working in Salesforce, and previously only Cognizant has started. Then now everybody is with the Salesforce, and they are providing huge package for this. And you have to complete 1 or 2 certification for the Salesforce. Okay, there is an admin, there is a platform developer one. Admin for the only administrator, platform developer one for the developer. There is another one, platform app builder. There is a bridge of this. Few questions from few questions from platform developer. Okay. So I think Hals will share with the course content with that and everything. Let me show you the course content as well. First, we will start with the configuration part. Okay, these all are the topics we will cover. We will share that, and after that, we will start with the. This is all of the configuration. Start with the customization is the coding part. Okay, this will take much time. Okay, and we will provide all the details, all the example, and the real-time scenario as well. And I have started the examples with the real-time scenario. I think that we will be able to understand that's why. And there is the lightning part is also there. This is currently job boom. Okay, previously Salesforce was in classic, now it is in the lightning, and there is a job boom. I can say everybody who knows the lightning is getting job easily, very easily. Any question from anyone?
Guys, if you have any questions, you can just drop in the query box also, or you can ask directly.
Okay, let me tell you another thing. How the Salesforce has improvised themselves, basically. So there are a lot of clouds, selling part, servicing cloud. There is a lot of clouds. They have introduced vaccination cloud. Okay, they have introduced vaccination cloud because of the COVID situation. And this vaccination cloud is getting used by Ireland government, so they can track each and everything. Who is using, who is getting the first dose, who is did not get a single dose, who is already got the two dose, all those things. Okay, this is why Salesforce is very much relevant in the real time world right now. Okay, there are a lot of parts and there are a lot of things which we are going to cover within our sessions. Any query you can ask.
Guys, if you have any questions, please drop out to sir.
My voice is low till now. Yogeshwari,
Sorry.
my voice is low. Yogeshwari,
Yes, sir.
my voice is low.
No, no. Why? It's fine, sir.
The demo session is fine. Voice.
Yeah, yeah. During your presentation, it was fine.
Okay. So that's everyone. I will encourage to everyone to join in the Salesforce sessions. Okay. So because of this market, because of the software market, Salesforce's CRM, they have captured already. Okay. They are yet to work on the whatever the Oracle has previously captured. So now Salesforce is doing monopoly in CRM market, customer relationship management, the business development or relationship development between business and the customer. So previously, Oracle has done the monopoly after 2009. Salesforce has built up, and Salesforce nowadays Salesforce is much bigger in the CRM part than Oracle. Obviously, from civil background, you can get a job. You can just get this course, completion, do the certification, and everything will be clear to you.
Yes, sir. So maybe there are no
I
queries
will
from the
encourage to each and
candidate.
everyone to join this, not with who is civil background, who is mechanical background. I can say only who is from the computer background. He knows the OOPS concept. He is having 5% of advantage. Otherwise, everything is clear and clear. Everybody is starting from zero. We will start from zero and we will continue.
Thank you, sir. It was really a great session. So, guys, this is our demo session on Salesforce. It is from Highest Placements and Highest Digital Academy. So, this is a training and placement program, and it is for 5 months, and it is only for 500 rupees. So, in this 5 months, we train on IT domains like Salesforce, Java plus Core Java, digital marketing plus WordPress, data science, which is AI and ML, blockchain, AWS and DevOps, PHP Android, cloud computing, Service Node, MuleSoft, UiPath, testing, Python, full stack web development, AngularJS, Node.js, React.js, and .NET. And we also include non-IT courses like HR, banking, BPO, MS Office plus MS Excel, interview skills plus communication skills. So these are all the domains and courses which HICE is conducting under this program. So these sessions will be for 1.5 hour to 2 hours every day. There are divided into two batches, like morning batch and evening batch. Whichever is convenient for you, you can select the program. And the sessions will be taken in the morning session. It will be from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the evening it will be from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And these are taken by the trainers who have almost 10 plus years of experience. So guys, don't miss this opportunity, as HICE has been associated with 150 plus MNC companies like who are providing 3 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. You will be given the job assistance whenever they have their openings, so you can have this opportunity if you join this program. So I request everyone to share these details with your friends network also, so that even they can avail this benefit. This is all about HICE placements and HICE Digital Academy. Thank you all. Thank you for attending this session. Hope if you have any queries or anything, you can just drop out in the query box. We will answer you. Thank you, everyone. Sir, I request you to please stop the recording now. Yeah, okay. Thank you all. You may leave the session now.
Hello, good evening, madam.
Good evening, Sai Krishna.
When our batch will be started, madam? So demos are running.
Yeah, demos will be there for this complete month. So classes will be starting from Jan.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Sai Krishna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any more queries?